What up, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, what's cracking? How's it hanging, Lizard Gang? So hey, first off, let me start off by thanking everybody for getting me up to 50,000 subscribers. Thanks to everybody that bought my merch, everybody that's been with the Lizard Hunter. Hey, thanks. I can't thank you guys enough, man. So as you guys can see, we're back on 27th Avenue in Indian School. We're out here looking for them reptilian shapeshifters, them Komodos, them geckos. We're out here looking for them all. So let's go out real quick. Today is Thursday. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna find out if they're out here working or not. And let's continue the Lizard Tour 2021. This is the Phoenix edition. All right, let's go get it, Lizard Gang. Let's get this. This one's out early today. Go around and get a front shot. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Is she going Food City? It's a shapeshifter. You guys know this one from my prior videos, Lizard Gang? I know you guys remember. There she goes. Gonna happen or not? No winner, lizard dinner. Look at all those cars. Come on, lizard gang, is that who I think it is? Is that Dogface? What happened to Dogface? Komodo time, lizard gang. What do you guys think? Smash or pass? Leave your thoughts down in the comment section. This is a famous lizard car wash right here. She got a stank ass walk. She got a stank ass walk. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, well, sorry, no tortillas. But anyways, I'll be back continuing the Lizard Tour 2021, and just stay tuned and I'll be back with another one. I'll see you guys on the next one, Lizard Gang. I'm out.